I tell you what, I've never had a laugh like that with a dentist.
Welcome to Dave's Diaries in France. Enjoy the video.
Good afternoon. It's Monday, the 13th. I just thought I'd give you a rundown on what happened last week, because I haven't done any videos over the weekend because the mother-in-law was here. She's now gone. She's arrived safely up in the north of France. Thursday, we went out to a fantastic restaurant. About 4.5 kilometres away from Mayenne town centre. Oh, I think. Ah, got it. The Forge. Absolutely amazing place. Absolutely amazing. Michelin-star. It was really, really good. We had fantastic food. And then on the Friday, I had my dental appointment, which I was not looking forward to. And yeah. Now I will splash the name of the practice up on the screen while I'm doing this. Because I don't know whether you can see from there, there's a big molehill here. Now, where there's a big molehill, there are loads of moles. So I need to get in and hunt them down. So yeah, the dental practice. I turned up with the wife because my level of French is not the best. And we had to fill in a medical questionnaire. Amongst other things. Where are you? And yeah, so we had to fill that in. It's all in French. I'm glad the wife was there. And so got taken into the room. They did an X-ray of my mouth, which I've never ever seen before. This machine was like a robot that circles your head. It was astounding. Where are you? And anyway, they did the X-ray, and then I got taken into the dentist's surgery, which is just a few feet away. And bear in mind, the receptionist couldn't speak English, and the dentist could. She was absolutely brilliant. She was Romanian. And I tell you what, I've never had a laugh like that with a dentist. She was brilliant. She calmed me down. We had a laugh. Explained certain procedures. She could only do one filling at a time. And the main one, which was my most sensitive one, she sorted out. And literally sorted out. And then an hour later I could eat. Absolutely brilliant. And she was English speaking. Okay, her English wasn't the best, but my French is rubbish. But she, as a person and as a dentist, wow, brilliant. So I'm booked in for the 21st of this month to have my other tooth looked at. And I had a full descale as well, which I wasn't expecting. And That was quite painful, actually, to tell you the truth. That descale. And yeah, she sent me on the way. Okay, bearing in mind, you have to obviously use your CPAM card if you know what a CPAM card is. And the charge for that, the whole procedure, was €131, but we get most of that back. And through the French insurance, National Health Service type thing. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. So I'm actually looking forward to going back. Never thought I'd ever say that about dentists, but I really am. So the 21st of this month, I think the 21st, no, sorry, the 21st of the month is I pick up my brand new residency card, 10-year, from the Mayenne prefecture in Laval. And then on the 27th, I have the dental appointment. So, yeah, I'm chuffed to bits about that. So, I'm happy. Believe it or not. Right, I've just got to cover this trap. Which I have a spare log. That gets covered. And then I'll rake out the rest of it. So yeah, if you live in the Mayenne region, just try and book an appointment with that dentist, which is in the links. She's great, really good, and highly recommended by myself. That's if you're looking for a dentist, which, to be honest, dentists in France, like hen's teeth, you can't find them anywhere. It's all right, I'm getting the ivy out of the way. So, yeah, there we go. All good. Whew. Right, I'm going to set some other traps and do some more weeding. Since I've given you a load of information, I'll catch you later.